What's up, guys? We are going to be installing, just by the title of this video, is an outlet for my heater on my truck. So I'm just tired of having to either leave my hood open, or like it's the cord sticking out of it, and so I have to open my hood, so just in case, I was, I don't live in a bad neighborhood, but you just always worry about people messing around with stuff, the young hooligans. But so I was just like, so finally I'm gonna install this Noco GCP1 outlet plug thing. So I'm gonna drill a hole into my liner, my wheel well liner, because this is supposed to be waterproof. So, and I've not heard anything, and I don't think it's gonna hurt anything, because I see a lot of people who just leave their cord out on the front, and I'm like, okay, well, I mean, if it's obviously getting wet, but this is supposedly pretty much airtight, waterproof and everything. So I want to do it actually into my wheel well, and so it'll be pretty nice to just plug it in at night and not have to worry about it. So that's pretty cool. And also too, I might, because mine's kind of messed up a little bit, and people say, oh yeah, it's fine, you can do this, you know, don't worry about it. Other people are like, oh, just replace the whole cord. But my actual plug-in end is kind of like getting fat, so I'm guessing either something happened, or they said sometimes that can happen because of moisture. But I got both of these on Amazon, and I'll put a link down below to grab it, because this is actually lit. So when you plug it in and it gets power, the light will turn on green. So it'll be kind of cool just to have this, and then you can kind of see if it's working on the inside. Like, oh, just making sure, like, okay, it is getting power. So let's take this out, and it's pretty easy. It's not that. So all you basically need is a 2-inch hole saw, and this is just one I found. Yeah, I got from Walmart, so it was like $10 maybe. That's pretty much all you need, and then a screwdriver just to screw them in. That's it. And so all it is pretty simple. There's literally this, the little gasket, and then some screws, and that's it. That's all. So just pretending this is the stock one, it plugs into here, and then that's it, and then it should be pretty easy. So I might just do this for today, and then I will probably come back and finish this part right here, because all I have to do is unscrew and wire. I have to go cut the other one and wire and strip and stuff like that in here. It's not that hard, but that's it. Just these 3 pieces, and then here is it's pretty nice. So when you don't need it, you just close it. Pretty nice, cool. Yeah, so drill the hole where you want it, and for me, I'm like, it doesn't need to be pretty, and it just needs to be in the thing and make sure it fits and stuff. But plug her in, and don't have to open the hood anymore, and don't have to worry about it. So it's gonna be kind of nice. So I got this all lit up, or got all wired up, and I had to screw in these things back in, because I totally forgot to put that back end part in, and I lost the screw. So I'm gonna have to do that later, but I did get a 2-inch hole drilled. So right now we're gonna put her in and screw her up somehow, which way I want it to go. So we'll see, but it goes like that, and then we can flip her up and stuff. But I'm just pissed because I messed that thing up, which I can't find that screw anywhere. It sucks. So, but we'll just do this for now. So she's got a 2-inch hole screwed in, or drilled out, and put the 3 screws in, and we're done with this. It's pretty easy, simple install. Okay, she's screwed in. So all I need to do is now just come in here. When I do it, pull her down, plug her in, done. Boom. So yeah, all I gotta do is that. Then when you're done with it, you're gonna leave in the morning or whatever. Push her in tight, set. All right, you guys, so we're back. Here it is during the daytime. It's plugged in. So I finally had to go to a hardware store and buy another screw for this, so because it wouldn't work. But because I lost the dang screw, which sucked. So it took me another day to actually do it, because it should have been easy and it should have been done last night, but it didn't. So anyways, I ran her through the hole right here. I don't know if you can kind of see the bottom of it right there. and then I have it running through here to the intake hole, and then but moving around, making sure like if it came undone or whatever, but rewired it because the other one was getting bad. And you can see right there on this side, it's turning a different color and stuff. It started getting fat. And the only reason I cut it up was because I wanted to see if there's different colors, but the only color that was different was the ground, which is just green. So other than that, it works awesome. I love it. It's kind of nice now because I don't have to worry about putting the cord through the hood and whatever and letting it run or leaving it open or whatnot. I can literally just come up here, pull it, put it in, you know, close it, whatnot, open it, put it in, plug it in, done. Boom. Super nice. I can put it in. But anyways, it's perfect. It's not too sticking out or anything. You don't really look for it unless you see it, you know. But yeah, cool. I'll put everything down in the link below to grab this and the plug if you need it. So thanks for watching.